1 in 2 men over the age of 40 experiences some degree of erectile dysfunction. By the time men reach their 60s, the number climbs even higher. Yet, very few men talk openly about it. Instead, they often struggle in silence, blaming themselves or turning to quick fixes that only mask the symptoms. What if I told you that one simple natural nutrient, taken at the right time of day, could not only support stronger potency, but also deepen your sleep and restore some of the energy you thought you had lost forever? This is not about miracle pills or empty promises. It is about understanding your body at a deeper level, learning how hormones, circulation, nerves, and sleep are intertwined, and how one particular vitamin at night can play a surprisingly powerful role in restoring balance. Think of it as tending to the soil rather than just watering the plant. When the soil is rich and well cared for, everything else grows stronger. Now, here is where things get interesting. Men over 60 often face a triple challenge. First, testosterone naturally declines, which can affect libido and energy. Second, the ability to achieve deep restorative sleep is reduced, making it harder for the body to repair itself overnight. And third, circulation, the very foundation of potency, becomes less efficient with age, especially if there are coexisting conditions like diabetes, hypertension, or prostate enlargement. The result is a cycle. Poor sleep weakens hormone balance. Weak hormones reduce sexual function, and reduced sexual function can damage confidence, leading to stress and even worse sleep. But the encouraging news is that this cycle can be interrupted. Modern research has shown that specific nutrients taken at night can work with the body's natural rhythm, improving sleep quality, restoring hormonal balance, and supporting the vascular system that underlies sexual function. One of these nutrients, which we will focus on today, has been studied for its role in improving both potency and sleep quality in men over 60. In this session, we will walk through the science together. We will explore what this vitamin is, how it works, why timing matters, and what the best research shows. Along the way, we will address common myths, talk about real-life cases, and give you clear practical steps you can take starting tonight. You deserve clarity, not fear. You deserve solutions that make sense. And most importantly, you deserve to know that these challenges are not a sign of failure. They are simply part of the body's natural aging process, which can be managed with knowledge and care. So, let us begin this consultation together.